Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have brought a very interesting and yummy recipe of white sauce macaroni. So I hope you all will love this recipe. If you're new to my channel, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon to get more yummy recipe. White sauce macaroni recipe is favorite of all, so you should try this recipe at home in a restaurant style. So let's start the process of making it. Firstly, you need to boil a macaroni by adding water and oil into it and add some salt so that it cannot get stick together. Then we will add pan and we will take oil and we will fry onion and capsicum into it. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see it is cooked properly. Now we will again take pan and we will add butter and then we will use refined wheat flour or you can say Maida and we will stir it for a minute so that there cannot be any lumps into it. We will stir it properly for 4 to 5 minutes. Now we will add milk into it. We will add little milk and we will stir it properly so there cannot be any lumps. We need to keep in mind that there should not be any lumps formed into it. We will slowly stir properly. Now we will add the veggies whatever we have fried and we will mix it into it. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon salt into it. You can add salt as per your taste and we will mix it into it. I am adding 1 tablespoon red chili powder. You can also use red chili flakes and oregano. And now I will add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder and mix it well. I am adding 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. This process you can skip if you don't have mayonnaise. For making the consistency of the sauce creamy, I will add milk into it. Now I am adding Amul cheese. If you have cheese slice also, you can add. Now the macaroni which we have boiled, firstly we will add into it. And mix it properly. And our white sauce macaroni is ready to eat. I hope you all will love this recipe. It's very easy recipe. Please try this recipe. You also can use corn into it if you have. You can see it really tastes yummy. If you're new to my channel, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching everyone. Meet you all soon with next yummy recipe. Till then, keep cooking.